to IndianTelevision.com's News of the Week. Let's take a look at this week's top stories. First up, Sony Pictures Entertainment CEO Michael Lynton told Variety that the company was interested in buying more television networks in India. Sony Pictures India's subsidiary Multiscreen Media currently owns 10 channels. The Variety report said that Lynton and Sony Pictures Entertainment co-chairman Amy Pascal had said at an investor conference last year that the studio was going to pour more resources into its television business as it was cutting back on its movie production. TRAI has petitioned the Supreme Court to allow it to raise the ceiling on tariff for pay channels distributed in non-addressable areas. The tariff for pay channels in areas where cable TV is distributed through analog technology has remained capped at the pre-2009 rates, following the direction by the Supreme Court in March 2009 for maintenance of status quo. TRAI has said that there is a need for reviewing the ceiling to adjust the tariff for pay channels in non-addressable areas due to inflation. While the Supreme Court has accepted the petition, the hearing for final consideration will take place in July. Days after TRAI came out with its regulation on content aggregators, New Sports Broadcast has decided to be the first to go solo. From 1st March, it will no longer depend on the One Alliance to distribute its channels, since it feels it is capable of monetizing its channels independently in the digitized era. The One Alliance, however, says that they were contemplating terminating the deal with Neo as the sportscaster did not have good content. The second edition of the IAA Leadership Awards presented by Colors honored the best of the best from the marketing, advertising and media industries in a glittering function held in Mumbai on 1st March. HUL's Nitin Paranjpe won the CEO of the Year, while Puneet Goenka was the Media Person of the Year. IPG Media brand Shashi Sinha took home the Media Agency Head of the Year trophy, and Lolintas R. Balki was the Creative Agency Head of the Year. Let's move on to the other news that made headlines. A little over a week since the policy guidelines for TV ratings agencies came into effect on 15th February, current agency TAM has filed an application for registering itself with the INB Ministry as per the new rules. Star India is believed to be in line to raise 100 crore rupees from the ongoing Asia Cup cricket tournament in Bangladesh. The Asia Cup features the national teams of India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh and Afghanistan vying to lift the trophy. The on-ground action is being telecast on its Star Sports channels and is believed to be attracting 10-second airtime rates between 1.8 lakh to 2.5 lakh rupees from advertisers. Multi-system operator Meghbela Cable and Broadband Services aims to seed 10 lakh set-top boxes, which will involve an expenditure of 110 crore rupees in areas earmarked for digitization phases 3 and 4. The company has already installed around 1.26 lakh STBs in Kolkata city, where digitization of cable TV services happened in phase 1. The axe is being wielded at Sahara One Media and Entertainment. The loss-making entertainment vehicle of the Sahara Group has already issued pink slips to 17 senior employees in February, and another 18 employees are expected to be laid off in March. Sahara One Media employs around 150 employees, with most of them being concentrated in Mumbai. Sony Max, the official broadcast partner for the Indian Premier League, will by the end of this week launch its IPL campaign. The theme for the 7th season of IPL, according to Max EVP and business head Neeraj Vyas, will be on the lines of the call of the IPL. While interacting with IndianTelevision.com journalist as the guest editor of the day, this is what Vyas said about the concept. It is as if you cannot refuse a call from the god. In the same way, when IPL calls you, you have to be there. That's all for now. For more updates and insights about the media industry, log on to www.indiantelevision.com. Till then, have a great week ahead. Goodbye.